Bitcoin has fallen from a value of 57 lakh rupees to
17 lakhs.
17 lakhs as of today.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta. Welcome to our YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. मेरे साथ राजीव कौशिक सर और आज का क्वेश्चन सर अगेन ऑन क्रिप्टो करेंसी एंड दैट इज सर एज अ मनीनर शुड आई इन्वेस्ट इन क्रिप्टो करेंसी? इफ नो देन व्हाई, इफ यस देन व्हाई?
Like we said in the earlier video also, when you want to invest in something, it should have a basis. There should be an underlying asset for that, whatever you want to invest in. When you go out and buy even gold ETF, it has an underlying asset as gold, right? When you buy a stock, it has an underlying asset which is
The company itself.
the business of the company itself. It's a physical this thing. Even if you don't talk about physical, then there is a business, like we have IT companies where they have the business itself is a earning revenue. You cannot maybe evaluate a IT company, but in case of a cryptocurrency, what is the underlying asset? How does it fluctuate so much? Because a cryptocurrency is only based upon the quantum of demand and supply. Of course, all stocks are based on that, but they have at least a base. Here, cryptocurrency has no such, except for the convenience that it has for certain group of the society in transacting this for various reasons, legal or illegal, I'm not saying, but that is what it is. And that is one. Let us start only on the official things. Secondly, has the government of the land, after all, we may be non-resident Indians, but we stay in India.
Right.
Our families stay in India. And as we have said in the first video that we should do only things that are legal. So when something does not have the sanction of a RBI or maybe of the government, should we be doing it? Thirdly, the fluctuation in these cryptocurrencies are so huge. In 1 year, Bitcoin has fallen from a value of 57 lakh rupees to
17 lakhs.
17 lakhs as of today. Now that is I think a little large volume, and if you actually check the daily transaction difference of buying and selling in these cryptocurrencies is large. It is in lakhs or just about lakhs. Means if you have bought something and you want to sell it, then there is a buying and selling this difference of about 1.5 lakh. So this is a small thing. Next thing which government has clearly outlined, because it has not so far said that cryptocurrency in India is legal or illegal, but it has said that it is not a legal tender, means you cannot buy services and goods with your cryptocurrencies, specifically with Bitcoin or whatever. But it has said that anybody transacting in this will have to pay 30% as capital gains. That means it has already graded this with something like horse racing, with lotteries, with gambling. It is already rated there. And also what is important is that you cannot offset this profit with any loss that you had in these cryptocurrencies. Apart from that, I don't know if there is GST or not, but even a financial or economic sense at the moment does not appear to me if you invest in cryptocurrencies. That is one part. Second thing is, with the meager salary, we may be thinking that we earn in lakhs. But do we earn enough to buy one cryptocurrency?
No, one Bitcoin, sir.
I'm just asking you that would you like to buy even, can you buy 10 or 20 shares of TCS at one go? I would not. So it feels good, it seems good to do all these things. And there is additional information that I want to give to the viewers, because some of our viewers are young, who are about to enter shipping, some of them are who are working for some time, and there are few who already are thinking in terms of retiring or quitting sea, and they may be having a little amount of money. So I have heard that in parts of the country, when you sell real estate, then that portion which we used to get as black or cash or whatever, I have come to know from such sources that it is being transacted in cryptocurrencies. They are getting paid in cryptocurrency. So all these things are happening. But just because something is there, just because some mode of investment exists, it does not make sense that we have to invest in that. Now people are only thinking about cryptocurrencies. When it comes to blockchain technology, we only talk about cryptocurrencies. That's where we restrict it to. There are other things also. They are called NFT. They are called electronic art or digital art. What is NFT? NFT is that when a famous person, artist, singer, actor, he creates some piece of his for a few seconds or a few megabytes or whatever. He puts it on the market, and here kind of e-auction starts for that NFT, and it builds up its value. Like Amitabh Bachchan probably signs and sends it out, so the first buyer buys it for 2 lakhs, and he puts it up for sale after 2 months, and it becomes 20 lakhs, like that. But this also has its pitfalls. Just now, one Spanish artist, he wanted to put his, he had put up his e-art on sale, and when the buyer wanted to sell it, there were no buyers, there was no liquidity. So it is very important to understand that we as seafarers are very simple people. Let us stick to simple ideas which can generate sufficient returns as compared to the country in easiest possible way.
Sir, my last question in this is, if you have money today and tomorrow RBI announces, okay, Bitcoin is legal in India, will you invest?
No, I will not.
Bas, it ends over here, guys. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.